Did you know that by 2025, blockchain technology could save the global economy over $1 trillion annually? That's not science fiction, that's the transformative power of blockchain, and it's already changing how we handle money, contracts, and trust in the digital age. In this video, we are diving deep into the future of finance and exploring exactly how blockchain is revolutionizing everything from banking to investing. Whether you're a curious beginner or someone looking to understand the next big wave in technology, you'll walk away with a clear picture of why blockchain matters and how it's reshaping our financial world. Let's start with the basics. Blockchain is essentially a digital ledger, a record-keeping system that's distributed across thousands of computers worldwide. Unlike traditional databases controlled by single entities like banks or governments, blockchain operates on a decentralized network where everyone can see the same information, but no single party controls it. This creates unprecedented transparency and security. The first major impact we are seeing is in cross-border payments. Traditional international money transfers can take days and cost significant fees. Blockchain-based solutions like Ripple and Stellar are changing this dramatically. These platforms can settle international payments in seconds instead of days, with fees that are a fraction of traditional methods. Major banks like Santander and American Express are already using these technologies, processing millions in cross-border transactions daily. Smart contracts represent the second revolutionary application. These are self-executing agreements written in code that automatically enforce the terms when conditions are met. Imagine buying a house without lawyers, escrow agents, or title companies. The smart contract handles everything from verifying ownership to transferring funds and updating records. Platforms like Ethereum have enabled this technology, and we're seeing it applied in insurance, supply chain management, and even voting systems. The third game changer is decentralized finance, or DeFi. This ecosystem of financial applications built on blockchain allows people to borrow, lend, trade, and earn interest without traditional intermediaries like banks. Compound, Aave, and Uniswap are leading platforms where users can earn annual percentage yields of 5 to 20% on their crypto holdings, rates that traditional banks can't match. The total value locked into DeFi protocols has grown from virtually zero in 2018 to over $80 billion today. Tokenization is the fourth major shift. This process converts real-world assets like real estate, art, or company shares into digital tokens on a blockchain. It makes previously illiquid assets accessible to everyday investors. For example, instead of needing millions to buy a commercial property, you could purchase tokens representing a fraction of ownership. Companies like Realty are already tokenizing residential real estate, allowing investors to buy shares of rental properties and receive proportional rental income. The fifth transformation is in identity and privacy. Blockchain enables self-sovereign identity systems where individuals control their personal data rather than corporations or governments. Projects like Civic and Uport are creating digital identity solutions where you can verify your identity for services without exposing unnecessary personal information. This has huge implications for everything from opening bank accounts to accessing healthcare services. But it's not all smooth sailing. Blockchain faces significant challenges including scalability issues, high energy consumption for some networks, regulatory uncertainty, and the need for better user interfaces. Bitcoin processes only about 7 transactions per second compared to Visa's 24,000, and the environmental impact of proof-of-work mining remains controversial. However, solutions like proof-of-stake, layer 2 scaling, and improved consensus mechanisms are actively being developed. The future of finance is being built on blockchain technology right now. We are moving toward a world where financial services are more accessible, transparent, and efficient than ever before. Traditional institutions are adapting, new players are emerging, and the lines between different financial services are blurring. The question isn't whether blockchain will transform finance, It's how quickly and completely this transformation will occur. Blockchain technology is fundamentally changing how we think about money, trust, and financial services. From instant global payments to programmable money and decentralized financial systems, we are witnessing the birth of a new financial paradigm that's more inclusive and efficient than anything we've seen before. If you found this exploration of blockchain's impact on finance valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into emerging technologies. What aspect of blockchain technology excites you the most? Drop a comment below. I read every single one. And if you're new here, check out my playlist on cryptocurrency basics to continue your learning journey.